participate. Sanjay Manjrekar, warm-up time. No.
Forward to this. Now when you look at the Bangladesh squad,
Janto, 13 players will participate. You're allowed to have as many.
that augurs well for maybe the next being curated. In Australia, expect some powers which will be Indian think tank is thinking. Sanjay Bangar is also.
Yeah, don't be surprised because Sanju Samson has taken long. He's been blabbering about Virat Kohli, sort of a fill-in opener, because if they don't want to give the decision has been made.
We were expecting Yashasvi Jaiswal in his first men's T20 World. First ball at the Nassau County International Stadium ground on the 5th of June against Ireland. Rohit Sharma won the toss. Successful season in the. Watch out for how much this surface turns, how much it moves for opening the bowling.
Yeah, too many surprises in a couple of minutes. And you see two right-handers who are good against pace. You see a left-hand of their own. A little surprise.
Bangladesh think tank thinks.
First ball. First run.
Sharma creating that room by stepping outside the line.
Plus, you mentioned Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal. I'm not expecting them to beat some of the major teams. Field.
Boundary in some form of competitive cricket. Of wides.
Still looking to find that exact speed of what he needs, especially on an open ground, wherein you saw which is sort of covered so far.
Full start.
Slowly. To be fair to the batters, it's clear some keeping low, some hardly carrying as well. Look at the when the ball.
विकेट लिया संजू सैमसन और 3 नंबर पर यादव वो तो क्लियर हो गया था पहले. देखिए जो पहले क्लियर कर दिया था टॉस के दौरान रोहित शर्मा ने. ऋषभ पंत के कौन से हमने उपयोग में लाने एक समय फील्ड पर
मैदान. हाँ ये देखिए
और वापस पवेलियन जा चुके. शाकिब अल हसन वर्सेस वो रोहित शर्मा. दो ही है 2007 में भी खेले थे और हर विश्व कप का हिस्सा सैमसन आउट हुए थे. बजी जैसे ही पैर पे लगी थी आपने.
ये अगर डीआरएस होता भी तो ये स्टंप को तो छू जाती गेंद. खुद आए गेंदबाजी करने. छोटा गेंद पुल मारने का. मिड विकेट थोड़ा सा अगर सीधा.
जी हम इस शॉट के बाद जरूर सोचेंगे क्योंकि उतनी तेजी से गेंद आ नहीं रहा है. बैकफुट पर गए भी दौड़ जाता. लेफ्ट पैर खोल लिया था इस दफा स्क्वायर की दिशा में.
ये बहुत बढ़िया शॉट है इस बार. और ये फ्लाइटेड गेंद आगे जिसके लिए तैयार थे. स्वीप किया. 3 गेंद में 8 रन दे चुके. ये लीजिए और एक बार ये मारा है. ये आप इनको देखते नहीं है अक्सर. ये हमें मुझे नहीं लगता ये रिवर्स स्वीप
करते हैं. दर्शनीय न्यूयॉर्क अमेरिका में क्रिकेट बिल्कुल पुख्ता हो जाती है कि खेल का विस्तार हो रहा है. खेल स्प्रेड हैं. होए होए मेरा क्रिकेट आए हाय मेरा क्रिकेट. इनसाइड एज
इसको मिड विकेट खेलने गए. सीधा मारते तो शायद ये गेंद लग जाए. इस गेम का स्तर जो है वो धीरे धीरे अपने बहुत साल पहले क्रिकेट शुरू हुई थी. ये देखिए असमतल बाउंस काफी हद तक ऊपर की तरफ.
और जो उड़ान रही है इस खेल की बजी.
बजाय तेरी उड़ान ऐसी हो क्रिकेट.
इस ओवर से अब तक आया ये तमाम 26 पे और बड़ा शॉट है तो बड़ी कहानी.
मिड विकेट थोड़ा सा अगर सीधा.
जी हम इस शॉट के बाद जरूर सोचेंगे क्योंकि उतनी तेजी से गेंद आ नहीं रहा है. बैकफुट पर गए भी दौड़ जाता. लेफ्ट पैर खोल लिया था इस दफा स्क्वायर की दिशा में.
ये बहुत बढ़िया शॉट है इस बार. और ये फ्लाइटेड गेंद आगे जिसके लिए तैयार थे. स्वीप किया. 3 गेंद में 8 रन दे चुके. ये लीजिए और एक बार ये मारा है. ये आप इनको देखते नहीं है अक्सर. ये हमें मुझे नहीं लगता ये रिवर्स स्वीप
करते हैं. दर्शनीय न्यूयॉर्क अमेरिका में क्रिकेट बिल्कुल पुख्ता हो जाती है कि खेल का विस्तार हो रहा है. खेल स्प्रेड हैं. होए होए मेरा क्रिकेट आए हाय मेरा क्रिकेट. इनसाइड एज
इसको मिड विकेट खेलने गए. सीधा मारते तो शायद ये गेंद लग जाए. इस गेम का स्तर जो है वो धीरे धीरे अपने बहुत साल पहले क्रिकेट शुरू हुई थी. ये देखिए असमतल बाउंस काफी हद तक ऊपर की तरफ।
और जो उड़ान रही है इस खेल की वजह
बजाय तेरी उड़ान ऐसी हो क्रिकेट।
इस ओवर से अब तक आया ये तमाम 26 पे और बड़ा शॉट है तो बड़ी कहानी।
इस गेम का स्तर जो है वो धीरे धीरे अपने बहुत साल पहले क्रिकेट शुरू हुई थी। ये देखिए असमतल बाउंस काफी हद तक ऊपर की तरफ।
छोटा गेंद नहीं था। नॉर्मली आप देखेंगे कि रोहित शर्मा ने बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर की दिशा में
चौका। जी हाँ, स्टेप ओवर किया, खेल दिया मिडल।
कह लें 2 वर्ल्ड कप जीतने का अनुभव कह लें आप 4.5।
जी हाँ, पता लग जाता है कि क्या जल्दी पहचान लेता हूँ कि अब क्या करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
हाँ, बड़ा शॉट खेलने की कोशिश क्या हुआ। देखना यह है ये किस तरह की भूमिका रोहित शर्मा ने, और बहुत कुछ निर्भर इस जोड़ी को किस हद तक ये जोड़ी सही साबित करती है। चलिए इस बार इधर चलिए, बढ़िया करते हैं। जितना बढ़िया स्लॉग स्वीप खेलते हैं, गेंदबाजी मैं करूं तो कहां करूं, स्वीप खेला शरीफा तो फिर गुरु जिंदगी जिंदादिली का नाम है। काम पे आके बड़ी सोच के साथ आघात करते हैं। खुश होता था, सरदार खुश हुआ जिस तरह से, और मुझे अपने आप को ढालना है या मुझे अनुकूल परिस्थितियां बनानी है। और ये उड़ान मैं ना मानू गुरु। यादव हैं, शिवम दुबे को आप देखना चाहेंगे। हार्दिक खेल रहे हैं पंत बिल्कुल बेखौफ होके, हवा में कोई गैप नहीं होता। लेकिन वो जहां आप आखिर में प्रैक्टिस करके आए या मैच खेल के आए, इसके आगे अगर ये शेर है तो भारतीय बल्लेबाज गुड हिट इन द मिडल। तो मुझे लगता है कि
recent cameo.
Surya Kumar Yadav, the new batter, needs no introduction.
Opening the face of the bat and 360 degrees he managed. Really good to see Surya Kumar back after a little.
Be working, holding up slightly on the pitch. He picks up a big one. Rohit Sharma just trying to free his batters to get a hit.
Yeah, definitely he's got the start, and definitely others needs to get that in Lauderdale, and this phase, and yes.
Chumasaka, part-timers to get through some, made the trip to Florida, played here. Those are the tournament games. Hussain, the catcher, you'll see a lot of him.
Across the ground. This is the one. Again, the same kind of thing behind the wicket, over the fielder, long on to the maximum of the field set, which Rishabh Pant is at.
But yet, opting to use the pace. Again, just over. Ends the 8th over, ends up being an expensive one. Mohammedullah Riyad, he's earned himself, and he is one of those bowlers who didn't go for many. 93. India will be more than happy to get there. That was
the way they started accelerating. I mean, 180, 190 mark, so that they can gauge the wicket. These assessments will be taking place when you have runs on the board.
But it won't be long before Rishabh Pant. There we go. One hand comes off.
A terrific shot. We have seen that. We have seen that when Rishabh Pant plays, what the timing and power and the kind of position. So Rishabh Pant form is doing
shorter area. It is down the ground. Looked very, very nice. Those right at the top. 34,000 people.
Part of the world are there, and supporters are there. It is going to be an interesting.
India plays nicely on 92 for 2. They'll be going on to Rishabh Pant, 48. Surya Kumar Yadav.
Change the tempo of this innings. Sanjay Bangar back beside me.
Again, a fair indication of the pace of the outfield, because it Rishabh Pant making sure accelerated over the third man, so it is a mixture of Him realizing that one of the productive areas Pant loves playing and scores a lot of runs again.
Can't imagine how Jasprit Bumrah would be on this surface. Surya picks it up.
It was interesting to see the field play patrolling. The only thing that for the opposition to contain him a little bit, just like that.
To safety did Rishabh Pant. And Pant treats him on his return. A boundary to bring up 50 for Rishabh Pant, and the 100 post the IPL extends into this warm-up game for Rishabh Pant.
He's been retired because giving opportunities to the Rishabh Pant. Getting back to makes 53, an impressive 53. India 103.
Shivam got to his 50 bladders on this surface. Look down. Dube. Terrific start.
With the utmost respect.
To finish 7 of the over, India 106 for 3 after 23,000. Full capacity, it can hold 30. Have to wait for the umpires here.
And here, powerfully hit in that mid.
It's third now. Started. First time, misses everything. It's not been the fastest.
Sort of pushed it into the surface, and this one Dube was searching for wasn't really there. He went through the shot.
We're going to come to this in the next over, last ball of the 13, Dooley, but streak to change. Ireland, Pakistan would all be taken.
A little bit of time to get used to. It's happened over the last 15, 20 years with New Zealand and Australia doing this for such a long time, and the guys at the Adelaide Oval.
First time, but put down to a different wicket.
Dube to hit a big shot, ends up in bounce that we're speaking of, and a simple catch.
Tends to vary his pace. Possibly off the pad. Haven't seen a lot of turn though. You know, India might have invested in a not like we've seen too many sharply turn or
out of these surfaces. Sweep shot. This is a short bare leg and mid wicket.
And I think when you look at the start of the tournament and the back end of it, you know, the all-round capabilities of Hardik and Shivam.
Oh, that's sweeter. That looks big in the middle.
Yeah, I was about. I mean, I know Ronak, Sanjay, you've seen a lot of them as well. And wicket, better on the slower tracks to go mid-wicket, but on these quicker serves with those long levers rather than across the line. And that's such a better example.
Keep the offside in play. Then obviously you set up beautiful wide of long off, meant that in his head he was really
Yeah, little things. It's a warm-up game, but if Rishad Hossain go straight, pleated, in and out of the boundary. Dube in this. 140 for 4. $140 on the scoreboard. 4 more overs to go. Let's take a look at that.
There's plenty of runs as well.
Head down the ground. Showing some muscle there in that.
With people like Hardik Pandya, Rishabh Pant, influence who will show their best. Have a look at the record books. Striker of 190 after India got eyes, which just flourished, isn't it? When the
Yeah, absolutely, Sanjay tournament. So Coming back into a familiar environment. Back on.
There's one more. Past the 150 with the previous one. Now it's 158. Pandya's doing right now.
And you're right, Dooley. I mean, he didn't ask for it. He was given that leadership, the right climate for him to flourish. But this is...
Look at that
And we all know.
strike. I think Tanvir can do is just try and cramp him for room.
And it's a frightening thought when you've got to give Hardik Pandya one to bowl.
landing up in front of Tiger.
No, he hasn't, and it's been taken. Surya